Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to online classes of Sri Ram Public School. I am your SST teacher and today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 15, communication. Communication means संचार के माध्यम. In this chapter we will know about communication, type of communication, uses of internet and advertising. Let us see communication. Communication is the activity of keeping in touch with others. It helps us to know about people, places, and events around the world. In olden days, there were no means of rapid communication. People had to send messages with the help of runners, pigeons on horse riders, which took a long time. But in modern times, communication has become very easy. Communication. Communication is the activity of keeping in touch with one people to another. One people can send a message and share their thoughts and to each other. It helps us to know about people. We can share our thoughts, our messages to each other, and we can know about one another. Events around our world also. In olden days, there were no means of any communication and people sent their messages by runners and pigeons and horse riders, and it takes time to go one place to another. Far off places, it takes too much time to reach there. But nowadays communication become very easy and fast. We can contact to each other in a seconds. Due to the invention of different means of communication, the world now seems to be a very small place. Human beings are social animals and share their thoughts and feelings with others. Due to the invention of different means of, let us see telephones. Today we can talk to people in any part of the world over a telephone. It is the easiest and quickest means of communication. India has more than 35 crore telephone connections, including mobile users. STD subscriber trunk dialing facility enables us to call people in other cities of our country, and ISD international subscriber dialing facility is used to call people living in other countries. Telephone. Today we can talk to people one another quickly through the telephone, and telephone is the fastest means of communication nowadays, and we can use STD calls for other cities, and in India has more than 35 crore telephone connections, including mobile users means mobile users also, and we can use international calls also for people living in other countries. We can contact to them also. Let us see fax. Fax is a faster means of sending written messages through telephone lines. The full form of the fax is facsimile. A message sent through a fax reaches the dialed number almost instantly. Fax. Fax is a fastest means of sending written messages through one place to another through telephone lines. The full form of the fax is facsimile. A message sent through a fax reaches instantly to the other place dialed number. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. Communication. The world now seems to be a very small place because we can contact any people in the world anytime due to the modern means of communication, which are the fastest means of communications. And human beings are social animals and share their thoughts and feelings with others. Types of communication. Firstly, we will know about postal communication. The oldest means of communication is the post. The Postal Department of India helps us to send or receive messages. India has the world's largest postal network. There are nearly 1.6 lakh post offices in our country. Postal communication. Postal communication is the oldest communication in our country and it has large network of postal communication in our country. We can send and receive messages through letters, inland postcards, and India has world's largest postal network. There are nearly 1.6 lakh post offices in the country. We can buy postcard, envelopes, and postage stamps from any post office. We can also send money to anyone through a money order. Rail, road, and air transport are used for this purpose. If we want to send a letter urgently, we can use speed post. We can also send and receive letters or parcels quickly through a private courier service. We can buy postcards, envelopes, and stamps from the post offices, and when we can send money also from the post office. It is called money order. And if we want to send a letter urgently, we can use speed post from the post office, and we can also send and receive letters, parcels quickly through the courier services.